Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Dodge Ram headlights. First, park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is at least half full. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. These initial steps are crucial for accurate alignment before you begin any adjustments. Next, measure the height from the ground to the center of your headlight lens. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking a horizontal line for each headlight. Then, mark a vertical line directly in front of each headlight's center. For proper aim, draw a second horizontal line 2 inches below your initial headlight center mark. Now it's time to adjust the beams. Locate the adjustment screws on your headlight assembly. There's usually one for vertical and one for horizontal movement. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn these screws. Aim to align the brightest part of the beam with the lower horizontal line and the vertical line you marked. Adjust the vertical screw first, then fine-tune horizontally. Once you've made your adjustments, double-check both your low and high beams against the wall markings to ensure they are properly aligned. Take your truck for a test drive on a dark, level road to confirm optimal visibility and ensure you're not blinding oncoming traffic. If you're still having trouble achieving the correct aim, consider seeking assistance from a professional mechanic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.